Hi guys, my name is Kara. Thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to give you a really fast step-by-step guide of how to create an LLC in the state of Michigan. So this video is going to be about 5 minutes or less of you actually doing the process to create your LLC. We're also going to create an EIN number today because it's just really important to have that with your new business. So to get started, just click the link in the description below. It's going to take you right to the Taylor Brands website so we can get started. All right, so to begin with, we're going to click the state of Michigan. All right, so now you're going to type in your business name. So for me, I do mobile eyelash extensions. So type in your business. All right, next, we're just going to click next here. And what stage is your business currently in? Now, this part doesn't really affect anything. This is just for you. So for me, I'm already in business. Maybe yours is also in business or just an idea. You click what's best for you. And what industry are you in? So this is really cool. They offer a ton of different options. So if you're not sure, just type in a letter and see what comes up. I'm going to start typing in eyelashes, and you can see here it offers a bunch of different things. And are you selling a product or a service? For me, it's a service. Now, if you have something that's maybe different, it's not a product, it's not a service, it's something else, you can type that right in as well. And are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? For me, no, it's just me running my business. But let's say you're not sure, or maybe you do have employees and maybe you want to downsize or increase size and get more employees. Whatever the case, click what is best for you, and you can always change this later on. It's really not a big deal. All right, so let's type in your zip code. And are you going to be selling mostly online? Are you in a physical shop or store, or are you on the go? For me, so I'm mobile. Again, that's on the go. Let's click that. And what are you planning to do today? So we're going to click LLC. Make sure that's highlighted, and we're also going to do an EIN. So the reason I want you to file your EIN today too is because it just makes it so much easier to get these things done. Your EIN is really important. It's basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you open your business bank account, when you get your business credit card, and when you file your taxes. So it's really cool that Taylor Brands offers all of these things right here. You can see that you can also do you have a bunch of other options as well. Maybe you want to create a website, maybe you want to get business insurance. Whatever the case, they pretty much offer everything that you need for your business. But for the purpose of this video, we just want our LLC and our EIN, so make sure to select these two. And this is just asking what you've done already. If you've done any of these, you can select it. Maybe you've created a logo. Maybe you already have a website. For me, I'm just going to hit skip. And how did you hear about Taylor Brands? We're going to click through YouTube through this video. All right. They also offer a free 12-week coaching program. This is a cool opportunity. It's completely free. If you want to select it, go for it. I'm going to click no thanks. But it's nice that they have that and has some free video tutorials. Okay, and here you can just type in your personal information. And your secret password. Okay, and once again, it's asking, do you want Taylor Brands to help you with your EIN, or do you want to do your own EIN? Now, you can file your own EIN number if you'd like to do that. I recommend just getting it here on Taylor Brands. It prevents any errors. They'll do it for you. It's just so much easier and so much less hassle to worry about when you are already starting your business and you have a million things going on. So for Taylor Brands to do it for you, it's an extra $99. Like I said, it's so worth it just to get it here. Let's click next. And assign a registered agent. Now, 99% of the time, you're going to be your own registered agent. The only time one of the only times you might not be is if you don't live in the state of Michigan. Let's say you don't live in a different state. you will need a registered agent that lives in that state. So if you're not too sure, ask your accountant what they would advise. But if you're just starting your business, most of the time you're going to be your own registered agent. Again, you can choose Taylor Brands to help you with it. That's $199. But we're just going to click I'll appoint a different registered agent. And are you sure? Yes. All right. So this part means that your LLC, every single year, it has to be renewed. So if you don't renew and refile your LLC, you'll lose the name of your business. You'll have to refile it, which is just more money, more hassle, or somebody could take the name and then you'd have to start over with a new business name. So it's just a whole mess. So make sure you refile it every single year. Now, if you think that you might forget to renew it and file it, Taylor Brands can do that for you, and it's $199 every single year. That way you can put it out of your mind, not worry about it. But if you think you'll remember it and you remember to refile, you can do that on your own. So I'm going to click I'll handle the compliance. All right, they offer a branding toolkit. If you want to check this out, go for it. I'm going to click I don't want the tools. And expedited filing fee. This is, would you like your LLC created within 2 days and sent to you? I definitely do. It's only an extra $49, and this is going to have your LLC created for you. You can get started right away. You know, I'm excited. I want to, let's go. So might as well file it in 2 days. But if you have some time to wait, you're in no rush, you don't have to pay this extra $49, and they will still do it for you in about 2 weeks, which would be this option. So let's click the expedited filing time. And an operating agreement, you don't need to worry about this, so click I'll figure it out myself. And would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. Finance manager. Okay, so this is super cool. Taylor Brands offers to basically do all of your books, invoices, any of the financials, they can do it for you. So let's say maybe math isn't your strong point, or you just don't want to mess up with the books. I mean, that is your business, is the money. So Taylor Brands can take care of it for you. They will manage everything. They offer a free trial. I don't know the total price, but it's something cool to look into if you're considering that. For me, it's just my business. I have a small business. I'm going to be managing the books and invoices myself. So I'm going to click right here. And would you like Taylor Brands to update you about the status of your LLC? Yes, let's click Get Notified. All right, and now you can select the plan. Again, we're just going to click this first plan, the light plan. This is just for LLC and EIN. All right, and so now you can see here, Michigan state filing fee for an LLC is $53. That's any time that you file an LLC. Let's say you start 5 more businesses, you'll have to pay this $53 5 more times. So that's just the mandatory state filing fee. You can see here they've included a free business coaching program. We have our $49 for the 2-day expedited filing, so you'll have your LLC created and sent to you in 2 days, which is super cool. This is all not highlighted, so you don't have to pay that. And your EIN is $99. Again, I just recommend getting it here. It just makes it so much easier. And you can see your total amount. Let's go to the payment. All right, and that's it. So here you're going to fill out your credit card information and pay for that. Afterwards, it's going to ask some basic information like your address, your name, and really simple stuff. So just make sure to complete everything. But that's it, you guys. You see, it's so fast. It's so easy. So I hope you were able to follow along with this video. I wish you the best of luck and success in your business, and I'll see you guys on the next one.